LPSN Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. LivePerson stock, LivePerson whatever, LivePerson actually, yeah, it's 95 cents and it's 7.4% increase on Friday, which is phenomenal. And taking into account the whole week performance, that's 13% up. Now, yes, I'm going to take that into account, but I also take into account the higher time frame chart. For context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships. With this in mind, like I haven't made video in this thing in a while. I mean, back in August. So a lot of stuff has happened. We actually saw the first break here, and then second break in theory should be beneath here. And I'm actually going to stick by this. This is so valid, it's crazy. If I see a second break beneath these lows, then it's a proper short. Only if there's the second break, right? But obviously now, I'll keep an eye if we start breaking about 130, because if it starts above that, then it's a bullish range. So I will keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.